Well, you wouldn't believe it if I told you. This carpet, it can be a pain in the butt to remove, tear up. It's some of this glue from 1996 was doing its job. I have a tool that used to pry up roofing shingles, and some places it really grabs. So it's kind of fun. Excuse my finger. I made a selfie stick out of some foam pipe insulation that came with a water heater. These people, it had, by the time I was done with it, I put some better insulation on it than what had come in the box with the water heater. So either way, with my selfie stick here, I can stick this in my 5-gallon bucket of tools, and maybe see how long it takes me to get this torn out. If I can get my selfie stick to cooperate. There it is. I mean, hey, it's free. And I have some gloves. This is the second pair of gloves. Second pair that I used today. I don't know where the other ones are. And I'll be wearing a dust mask, I know. Well, either way, you guys get the idea. This is pretty tough stuff to try and get up. I'll probably end up putting it back. So I'm not fighting all of this carpet on top, and then maybe it'll be a little bit easier. The last little bit. What are your thoughts? How would you have gone about doing this? Like, follow, and subscribe. I know this is a boring video, but I'm gonna get to some better stuff, I promise. Thank you all. Have a good night. I don't have electricity out here, so I'm working with a lantern for now. Someday we'll get electricity. Hopefully not too far in the future. We're thinking about going solar because we're so far off the road. And we also have some big heat pumps on these buildings. I'm curious. People have said they're kind of desirable. I mean, I don't know about for a residential application, but I think that's what we're gonna be going for. Trying to find a flashlight. Looking around for a flashlight. Anyway, hey, if you guys have any experience with these things, I mean, being a heat pump, I mean, I guess they try and maintain just a even certain temperature. So I'm gonna be looking into these a little bit more, and don't know quite what it's gonna take to run this building off of them, maybe for a little while. I'd like to do a wood burning stove here pretty quick. That'll be, I don't know if that'll be this year, but as soon as I can get all the stuff to it. Either way, I don't know. Let me know your comments. What you guys think about using these for a residential application. There's another one over on the other side. You know, I'm probably gonna have, well, I need to get I have a 2-stroke 271 Detroit diesel generator. Makes 12,000 watts or 13,000 watts, kilowatts, 13 kW, 3-phase, 2-phase it makes, or single phase, excuse me. Single phase makes 12,000. So, I mean, maybe we'll be burning waste oil when we don't have solar working for us. But beautiful night. That's all I got. Thanks, guys. Take care.